and like HANA, how we can how the with the data sources we can use into the HANA. So like that is what I joined the class, because otherwise I have a good experience in BW and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. So what is that we are covering in HANA is we'll be going to cover HA100 and HA300. Okay. So which is the what is the topics that is described by SAP EDU for HANA consultants. That topic, and will be covering BW powered by HANA.
Are you recording? Will you be recording the session? Like
yes, yes. Every session will be recording, and I'll be sending you the recording link. Okay, and also the materials.
Okay. Go ahead. What are the topics?
Okay, and also the materials with respect to each topic will be sending you soon after the session. Okay.
One second. So,
okay, sure.
Sorry. Okay. So you can continue.
Yes. Will be. Karima, like we'll be recording the sessions. Okay. Every session.
Can you show? I can't see your screen. I think you're not sharing, right?
Yes, I'm trying to share my screen. Yeah, 1 second. Just give me a second. So you're basically a SAP BI consultant, right?
Yeah, BI. Earlier I was in ABAP, long time back. So I work in BI, ABAP, BobJ, and little bit HANA I work earlier.
Okay, so in HANA, what is such you have worked on?
Like just a little bit, creating views and all. That also we did, I think, in 2011 in the beginning. But there are a lot of advanced things came, right? Features with SP6 or 7 is released now.
SP7.
Is this released?
Yes, it is released. SP7 is released.
And what version we will be working on?
So we'll be working on the SP07 version.
SP0 and SP7, and VI 7.4 and BobJ 4.1, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Can you go to your syllabus?
So yes. So are you able to see my screen now?
Yes.
So as I told that we'll be covering HA100 and HA300. So introduction, positioning. So HA100, as you know, that it's an overview of the complete SAP HANA. So it's common for both admin and consultant. So we're going to have introduction and positioning about HANA Studio. So most of the topics you might be already working on. So I would suggest that you can just go on lab sessions. I mean, that is up to you. Like if you want the complete theory part, you can take up the classes for theory and practicals as well. Okay, so HANA architecture, the architecture, persistence layer, backup and recovery, and new.
Yeah, I can't see your screen. It's gone, I think.
I mean, they have not given me the. Okay.
Jenna, are you there?
Yes. Now I just got. Are you able to see now?
No. I think it's coming.
Yes. Now it should be.
Okay, Pradna, wait here. In SAP HANA, what are the new features you have? We have like earlier, like what kind of, do we have a functionality like suppose BW data sources in ECC we have? Can we use data sources directly in HANA?
So we have a new HANA like BI content we have, right, in BI. So BI delivered content. So
not BI. What I'm saying, the BW data sources, what we have in ECC, right? So can we use replicate, like how we replicate the table using SLT in HANA? Can we use data sources?
As of now, we do not have data sources in SAP HANA. So the same features we have, so some of the new features like data provisioning to get directly to connect to Hadoop max
Yes,
speed
no,
of
no, no.
5
Say it
minutes.
again. What we have? New features?
Data provisioning we have, and some of the new features in security, and we have HANA Live content.
HANA live content. What is it?
So we have a BI content, right, in BI system.
Mm-hmm.
So similarly, so this particular feature was not available in the earlier versions. So that was one of the drawbacks that had in HANA. So now with HANA Live, that has been covered.
Oh, wait, Pradna. What is covered? Like in BI, we have the BI content. So
Yes.
in HANA, what was not there and what is there right now?
So something the
BI content.
delivered BI content, okay,
Okay.
delivered content that we had in BI, that
Mm-hmm.
that kind of feature we did not have in HANA.
So what is that feature like?
So
Is it already some views are created? We can use like that.
yes, correct. So the views are already created for you, some calculation views. Okay, you can use that for modeling purpose.
Okay, and there is a design view and the modeling in HANA we do in a two ways, right? Like design view and the SQL. So the
Yes,
SQL thing is the better, right? We can customize and all. So you
yes,
gonna teach that also?
yes,
You'll be teaching that too, right?
yes.
Okay. So, is there any issue we replicate the tables in HANA? Like, suppose our, VW, right? So, we
Mhm.
use inventory like BF data sources and all, right?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, tell me,
So,
Sana.
you know, so we have the MSEC tables, MARA table. So, the
Hmm.
entire, suppose for example, one inventory data source we have, right? So, one data source is the combination of multiple tables and we have a function model returns in ECC, right? So,
Hmm.
for that kind of, requirement, suppose we want the same data, inventory reporting in HANA. So,
Hmm.
what is the, so suppose we have to combine 4-5 tables. So did you face any issue like we join the views and write the code? Is there any problem in HANA if we do
No,
that?
nothing as such. As of now, in the POCs and the project that I have worked on, so we had done this type of combination of getting good tables into SAP HANA through DXC
How
also
much
through
data
SAP.
you guys have loaded? How much data? Suppose we have 10 million, 20 million data. So is it fine?
Yes, we have loaded the same data on BW on HANA. We have done the testing as well on the BI system. Also, we had compared BW on HANA system. So we had loaded more than 4 billions of records on BW on HANA.
Okay. And Pratna, like suppose we have the inventory, right? Suppose
Hmm?
snapshot or it's like cumulative, non-cumulative inventory, right? You know, right?
Hmm? Yes,
Cumulative,
yes.
non-cumulative in BW. So, but in HANA there will be only one, right? There is no, so we can get all the real time whatever is available, right? Because we are
Yes.
replicating real time, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So, and then for the COPA you are mentioning here in your syllabus, I see. So, COPA we have like C1, C2, C3, C4 tables. So, what you do in HANA for
So
that?
this, so we have this COPA scenario is just an example that we are taking, the real-time example. So we are just showing you how to load the data from the ECC system into HANA modeling, sorry, HANA database and model the COPA scenario in HANA. So we are not getting into deeper concept of COPA scenario where we use the different C1, C2 or C3.
Okay, so then I see data provisioning, uploading data from flat files, data services, then LP replication, direct Sybase, okay, COPA scenario introduction, okay. Microsoft Excel, SAP Business Object, BRO, okay, this Bob J, I know. Okay, go ahead. What is next?
So from Unit 7, it's a HA 300. So where it starts with the advanced modeling, hierarchies, creating restricted and calculated measures, filter operations.
Wait,
Yes.
Pradna. So,
Hmm?
what is the issue? Do we have any issue with the hierarchies? for example, we have like cost center hierarchy, okay, in ECC. So how the way we are doing in BW. So if we do in HANA, is there any issue with hierarchy?
HANA, as of now, we do not use hierarchies in full-fledged. Okay, so because the
Okay.
issues are like getting the reports. The hierarchies that we use in HANA, so it's we have some issues in taking the reports. So you can use only through the Excel sheets. That is one issue we
No,
have.
no, no. Say it again. We can't use hierarchies.
Because it will cause some issues while creating the reports in the report suites. So
Okay.
basically, we
So
cannot use much of.
even if in HANA 7 also it is not working. SP
Yes,
7.
yes. You can use the hierarchies, but once again, it depends upon which reporting tools you are using. So hierarchies will not work with every other reporting tool. So only with few reporting tools, it will be. I mean, it
What
will be
reporting
useful.
tool it will work?
So it will be working with Microsoft Excel. And
Okay.
I mean, I don't think with Crystal Report it works. So
And
it's
Webby?
yes. So you should make sure that it depends upon the reporting tools that you're using, and
No, no.
then
Does
you
it
need to
work
take
in
the
Webby?
hierarchies.
Webby intelligence?
Web intelligence, I'm not very sure.
Okay, because mostly people use Webby only for HANA
Webby
reporting.
and that, yeah, on HANA reporting they use Webby for
And
reporting
yeah,
and dashboards.
okay. So this is advanced HANA modeling. What are the things we have? What is the advanced HANA is the SQL.
Sorry, which one? This thing? HANA
What is
introduction.
the advanced HANA is the SQL using SQL script and all.
The same CE functions we have in SQL scripting. We're going to see the CE functions that is used in SQL, calculation views to create the calculation views, the CE functions. So that also will be covering in the topic.
Okay.
Next is
So
script and procedures. Yeah, we'll be giving you the introduction and we'll be seeing some of the examples on SQL script and procedures.
okay.
Currency conversion and decision tables. So apart from that, we have any new features available with SP07 and that we can work on the training server. We'll be showing, we'll be giving an overview and we'll be working on those examples as well.
Okay. So you know what, Pradna, one thing.
Yes.
You know, I was going through, you know, some of the SAP help. So they
Hmm?
have given on help that, you know, what is the purchasing for the Mara. So table
Mm-hmm.
of means some of the purchasing, you know, header data of purchasing. The following
Mm-hmm.
reuse views are included in this virtual data model. So are
Mm-hmm.
these the you are saying like the business like business content we have it in HANA?
Mm, HANA live content, what as you mentioned, so there will be some views created
Can
with
I
calculation views.
actually, you know what? Okay, I don't know whether you have seen that kind of documents on. It is there in help. So you know
Mm-hmm.
the table views, tables and views like EKKO, EKPO, EKBZ,
Mm-hmm.
and EKB. So these kind of documents they have provided in the help,
Mm-hmm.
mentioning like you know. This PDF document contains the selected topic and its subtopics in the selected structure and table of contents and but like they have given the topics and the following reuse views are included in the virtual data model. So whatever
Mm-hmm.
business contents you are saying is SAP has delivered like virtual contents and all like that.
So virtual content, yes, we can say it has delivered the virtual content. That's what the HANA Live, you won't be getting ready-made in HANA Studio. You need to install it.
Okay, so you know what? I do have those. I downloaded those documents. Maybe I can send it to Jana and he will give it to you. You can just
Okay.
take a look of it.
Yeah, yeah, I'll
Okay.
do that. Mm.
So position overview of data replication at a glance, administration, SLT based transformation, advanced replication. table structure and partitioning, transformation. Okay. Have you tried all this practically? Have you done?
Yes, I have done data services, SLT, and also DHC. Sybase, I have
Whatever
not done
you are
data services.
mentioning, that you
Yes,
have already done, right?
yes.
Okay. I forgot to ask you something. One more question I have. Yeah, suppose, Radna, we have suppose zero material in BW. Yeah, and BW and HANA, what 7.4 has the advanced thing for HANA? What we do in 7.4?
The 7.4 I have not worked yet, so I'm been working on 7.3 that powered by SAP HANA. So 7.4 I don't have much idea on that.
So, but because everybody is on the same board, right? They just deliver it and whatever new functionalities. So it is installed, so we can try, right? Even I can help you.
We can. Yeah, we can do that.
Whatever documents there, because everybody will be doing the same thing, you know.
Yes, we can try that. So as of now in my project, as we are working on 7.3, so I have idea and worked on 7.3. 7.4 I have just gone through some of the
So in
documents.
7.3, what you do means you are directly, suppose existing DSO is there, or you create a DSO and run the program so that it will be available in HANA, like that you do.
Yes, correct. So we have some
And are you using the info cubes or multi-providers for HANA? No, right? Only DSO?
No, we use info cubes as well. So we have we'll work on both in-memory optimized data store objects and also info cubes.
For InfoCube, what is the advantage for InfoCube?
So InfoCubes, so you can create the in-memory optimized InfoCubes in HANA, and that you can use the modelings in the HANA database. So data store objects or InfoCube. So we keep working on both of.
So what is the advantage? Like in BW, we can see, right? And DSO has the, okay, I can, maybe we can dig into documents. Like, means I mean to say, if we are getting, if we have, okay, so tell me one thing. Suppose we have to do reporting based on like ECC, like cells, suppose, right? So we have to go for BW and then HANA, or directly to HANA. What is the best way, you think?
So you're asking like we are going on a reporting part, right?
Yeah. Suppose if suppose ECC, we want the sales reporting. Suppose if I want to do my project, I should do first into BW, and then on top of BW I should go for HANA, or directly I can create the tables, replicate the tables from BW into from ECC to HANA. Which way we have to do? What is the best way, you think?
So it depends upon like whether your project, whether your project is already on BW HANA. So what happens if at all you have existing objects on BW and that you are converting to in-memory optimized objects, then you can convert it and then you can go and work.
Yeah, that is fine. Suppose if we have that why we are doing because we already done the development. We don't want to lose it. But BW is not providing us real-time data, right? So if we want real-time data, right? So we'll go, if we go for directly into HANA, so will it be a issue because HANA is replicating the tables, all the tables? So will it be a issue? No, right?
No, it won't be any issue. Will not have any issue while doing that.
So have you worked on with, like, suppose for the purchasing we have 3-4 tables joined. So have you created like that in HANA? Directly from ECC?
Yes, we have created that such kind of HANA, but for different scenarios. We have done it for
for example, for example, for master data attribute view, for purchasing data another view, right? Analytical view and all. So like the scenario, if we do, so there won't be any issue, right?
No, it won't be an issue.